Preparing for Martyn's Law means having a fast, reliable way to reach everyone on site. Because when it matters most, every second counts. Whether it's an evacuation, or lockdown, staff need clear instructions instantly. With Vivi, no one misses the message. Emergency alerts can appear across every staff desktop, laptop and front of class display. You can see who saw it, know who acknowledged it, and keep a fully auditable record of every response. So, when the unexpected happens, safety is impossible to miss. Request a demo today at vivi.io.